Alright, so here we go. Now we are starting part 2 of this video, and I'm going to include some examples of some stuff that's not in the review to help you along. But let's look at some of these problems, and I'll talk about like what I'm going to say, put more emphasis on. So here, if Km bisects JKL, JKL is 92 degrees. So this whole thing right here is 92 degrees, because JKL. Okay, bisects means cut it in half. So if I say 92 divided by 2, I get 46. Okay, MKL is that one, so then I can say here 5x plus 1 is equal to 46. Subtract 1, divide by 5, and you get x is equal to 9. Fairly simple, right? Shouldn't be that hard. Hopefully you can go from there. Please kind of try to ignore that. If you can hear, say, somebody else like yelling, this because, well, I'm at the swim practices at the pool, and some people can be loud. Anyways, all right. If EF bisects AED and AEF, okay. So keep in mind here again, bisects. So this is cutting this in half. AEF and FED are going to be equal. So then I can say here 4x plus 3 is equal to 7x minus 33. And again, variables to the left, numbers to the right. Negative 3x is equal to negative 36. X is equal to 12. And then from there, okay, notice this one says find angle CEB. So we want to find this angle right here. If I put the 12 in, say, here, then I'm going to get 4 times 12. This is going to be 51. This is going to be 51. And then that would mean that angle... the measurement of angle CEB is equal to 102 degrees. Alright, here is just so that you can kind of know like what's an adjacent angle. Angles that are next to each other, like C or D or F. And the key point there is, what do they add up to? Because that might help you set it up. Vertical angles. Remember, vertical angles are always equal. In this case, in picture B, we have an example of a vertical angle. Which diagrams show complementary angles? Well, according to this, I mean, we know if this is 90, then this is 90, so picture F, angle F. And picture A also has that because those add up to 90. Supplementary, we want them to add up to 180. So we know E does that because you can add those up. But then again, keep in mind that D is a linear pair, so that means they're supplemental, which also answers the next question, what's a linear pair? Alright, so let's look at the next part. I think y'all can put up with the fact that you get a little picture of, say, a desk there, but that's okay. Again, what are these? These are vertical angles. So that means this 10x plus 1 is equal to 12x minus 5. Variables to the left, numbers to the right. I would get negative 2x because minus 12x. Minus 1 would give me negative 6. Divide by negative 2 and x is equal to 3. I need to solve for x, so I'm done. Okay, these are linear pair. So here I'm saying 4x plus 7 plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 180. And so from there I can combine my like terms. I get 6x plus 12 is equal to 180. Subtract the 12. 6x is equal to, I don't remember here, 168, and then divide by 6, and you get x is equal to 28. Bada bing, bada boom, there you go, not that hard. Right? Right. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Alright, so here we're saying angle, these are perpendicular, so, and this is a vertical angle, so because that's the case, then that allows me to say like x plus 21 plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so that gives me 4x plus 30 is equal to 90. 4x is equal to 60. X is equal to 15. And all you had to do was solve for x, so you're done. Linear pair, again, means they add up to 180. So here I'm saying 18x minus 1 plus 23x, oh dang nabbit, there we go, plus 17 equals 180. Again, add your stuff. You got here 41x plus 16 is equal to 180. Subtract the 16, you get 41x is equal to 164. And then you can divide, and you would get x equals 4. But then this one wants you to find angle 2, so you got to put the 4 here and say 23 times 4 plus 17. And that would tell you that the measurement of angle 2 is 109 degrees. Yay! Complementary means they add up to 90. So here's 6x minus 15 plus 3x plus 6 equals 90. So now here I've got 9x minus 9 equals 90. Add the 9. Boop. You get 9x equals 99. So x equals 11. Okay, notice this one says find angle H, so I put that here. 3 times 11 plus 6 is going to give me that the measurement of angle H is 3 times 11 is 33 plus 6, 39 degrees. It's more fun if you have like the vertical angles. What do they mean again? They are equal. Equals 6x minus 11. Variables left, numbers to the right. Negative 1x is equal to negative 23. Change the signs and you got x is equal to 23. Find the measurement of angle 1. So I got to put this 23 over here and say 5 times 23 plus 12. And that would give me that the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 127 degrees. Yippee! Yay! I don't care about this one. Omit. We will not do something like that. Alright. Down to the last two, and then I'll give you the extra stuff I need to talk about. Look at here. Okay, they tell me AFB is congruent to EFD. So these two are congruent. Okay. EFD is 5x plus 6. DFC is 19x. DFC is 19x minus 15. And then the EFC. Okay, so let me do this in different colors. Okay. So the green one is this one right here. Let's do orange. The orange one is this one right here. Okay, and then let's say the gray one, because I try to avoid purple and blue just because I know some people may get upset. The gray one is this whole bit right here. This whole bit is that. So what happens here is then that I can say 5x plus 6 plus 19x minus 15 is equal to 17x plus 19. Okay, combine your like terms, you end up with 24x minus 9 is equal to 17x plus 19. Again, variables to the left, numbers to the right, you're going to end up with 7x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 4. And that's probably where I would be happy. But they want you to find A, F, E. Okay, so if you put this in place of, say, this one, you get 26. So if this is 26, this is 26, that adds up to 52. Take away from 180, and you get that the measurement of angle AFE is equal to 128 degrees. All right, perpendicular. SV is perpendicular to TV, that's that. 17x, this is RSU, UST. So I know that these two combined, because they're like here, minus 3 add up to 180 degrees. So combine my like terms, I got 23x minus 4 is equal to 180. So 23x is equal to 184 because I moved the 4 over and added. Divide, and you get x is equal to 8. Okay, you plug the 8 into, let's see here, RSU. Put the 8 here, and you should get 133 degrees. Put the 8 here for UST, and you should get 47 degrees. And then if you start figuring out from there, you should be able to find out 43 degrees just using some common facts, 137 degrees, and you're done from there. All right, so what other things did I miss? I missed about classifying. Like, don't forget about like concave, convex. Don't forget about regular, irregular. I would make sure you know if the number of sides and name. Like 3 sides is a triangle, 4 sides is a quadrilateral. You know, add that to your formula sheet and kind of go from there. No perimeter and area. So perimeter and area. And finally, no fractional distance. Okay? And just to kind of give you an example, like if I had a number line, let's say here at -4, and then let's say we had another one, let's say that's A, let's put B here, and let's say 13. Okay, what's the distance? Okay, so, and let's say I want something like a fractional distance of, give me the coordinate, keep that in mind, because I definitely will ask it like that. Coordinate, fractional distance that is like, I don't know, let's see here, let's just say 1/4, okay? All right, so if you find out the distance here, the distance from A to B, it's going to be 17, okay? You multiply that by 1/4. You get, let's say you change that to, it's 17/4, but if you decided to put 4.25, that's fine. Either way, the point is you add it to the -4. So if you do that, I'm sorry, that should be, no, that's right. Oops. Okay, so you add that to the -4, and that's going to give you either, let's say, 1/4, if you were using the fraction and using the calculator, or it'd give you 0.25. Either answer I would accept, but that's all you got to do. You find the distance, multiply by the fractional distance, add the original point, or the starting point, and you'll have your answer. Okay, that is it. I'm going to stop there. That we are done for today. Thank you so much for your time, and y'all take care. Good luck on the test. I know y'all are going to study hard and do well.